Target away again. Harper, left center. This ball's got some altitude. See you later. Opposite field bullpen. 2-1 Nats on his 5th of the year.
I mean, when he's thinking left center, that's when he's locked in, and you see the enthusiasm in the dugout. The 2-2 homer off the bat of Bryce Harper, right when we were talking about it. On cue, Bryce Harper, and he lets it rip. Watch how smooth this is. He just smooths that ball out to left, rolls the wrist. Look at the perfect balance after the swing. And if he could hit home runs to left center field, sky's the limit, folks. That's a beautiful swing.